These are the birds that live in my house that actually belong to my grandma. This is Dreamer. He's very talkative, much more compared to this other one. Then I would say talk about much later on. This is Dreamer. He's very, he's a very nice bird. I'm not going in that cave. He doesn't like being touched or anything. You're a very friendly bird. Let's go. See, he's very talkative. Show you the other one. This is Lee. He's a very nice bird too, but less talkative than Dreamer. He's a beautiful guy. He's a beautiful bird. You know? And the Dreamer in the background, making noises. You know, time to go. The last video of the day. Bye.